really hope you guys are fit, fine, and doing great. So, yesterday, an article has been published by Indian Express regarding certain important high weightage chapters for NEET 2025 examination. And many students had lot of doubts, lot of problems, dilemmas regarding this article, and they were forwarding me the links and asking their doubts. So, I thought, what could be better than creating a video and address all your doubts in one go? So, bacha, I, Sonali Malik, your own chemistry educator, first of all, welcome you all to this incredible platform which is Unacademy NEET English. Okay, so now let's just proceed ahead and dive into the detail of this particular article. First of all, let's just discuss that what this article is all about. Bacha, now see, this article has been basically published in order to give the information to all the aspirants of NEET 2025 that you have to focus on these chapters more. Why? Because these are going to be the crucial chapters, the high weightage chapters, and from these chapters, a little more amount of questions can be asked. Right now, you must be wondering that how Indian Express can give you a list of important chapters, right? Fine, you must be wondering about it, about the authenticity of this article as well, right? So, bacha, what they have actually did, they have analyzed the patterns of the previous year questions of NEET examination, right? They have analyzed lot of previous year papers, and from there, they actually have found that yes, these sets of topics and these sets of chapters are more important and students should focus more on them. Am I clear, everyone? Okay. Now, before starting this video, I want to give you one disclaimer, bacha, that although I'm going to tell you important chapters of each physics, biology, and chemistry, however, bacha, you have to, learn, revise, practice each and every chapter. Beat physics, beat biology, beat chemistry. Why, bacha? Because see, you just have 7 months, right? I can tell you important chapters and I can tell you important topics. However, you should be prepared with each and every chapters which is going to come in your NEET 2025 examination. Fine. Okay, there are lot of strategies which are there on our channel, 7 month strategies, out of which 5 months you have to utilize for your preparation, in 2 months you have to utilize for your revision, for your mock test practice, for your question practice, okay, for your doubts and everything, right? So you just have this much amount of time, right? And you have to prepare yourself with full syllabus, not with these chapters only. You have to be fully prepared with all the chapters, right? And for that, we have a series going on our channel, which is Games of NEET, right, in which each and every teacher is teaching you in detail the entire chapters in 10 to 12 hours. Fine, so you have to focus on each and every chapter. Fine. However, let's just proceed into these topics which have been mentioned by Indian Express. Okay, so first of all, in physics, bacha, they have said that as per the trend analysis, what they actually have analyzed, bacha, that students actually face more problems, more challenges in physics as compared to the biology and chemistry portion, right? So they have said that we know that physics is a bit difficult. However, students should focus on building and understanding fundamental concepts as well as their applications rather than just memorizing formulas. Students have this habit of memorizing formulas and then solving the questions directly. However, they have clearly mentioned, beta, that as per the previous trend, the student is set to solve more amount of questions in a lesser amount of time if the students focus more on building their fundamental concepts and understanding the applications of that particular concept. Am I clear? Right. Further, they've also mentioned, beta, that there are certain high weightage topic which we need to focus on, right? The very first is mechanics, the other one is thermodynamics, and the last one is modern physics, beta, right? So they have clearly mentioned that these particular topics actually, demand special attention. You have to give special time to them. Okay, more time to them. And we have seen in the previous years also that modern physics are said to contain lot and lot of application questions, right? So you have to focus on that. Fine. Further, they have said that if you want to improve your problem solving skill as well as your speed in physics, then you have to practice more and more of numericals, right? You have to practice more and more of numericals, and in these numericals you have to give special attention to PYQs, bacha, right? Because previous year questions are lot and lot of repeated, as well as sometimes what they do, they give NCERT in text question by changing the digits. Okay, so you have to focus on them as well. Don't skip them at all. Am I clear? Fine. Beat in physics, beat in chemistry. I always say that NCERT is important. Now, next bacha, let's move to the chemistry, the subject which ma'am teaches. Okay, right? So they have clearly said that you have to give equal attention, equal balance to all the three subjects, right? So you have to give importance to me as well, which is in organic chemistry. So they have clearly mentioned, beta, that you have to balance organic, inorganic, physical, and it is crucial. You can't give a special attention to only one particular subject, right? All the three subjects are almost of equal weightage, right? Like there can be a difference of 1 to 2 questions, but that doesn't make any difference. Am I clear, everyone? Okay, right. So in organic, they have clearly mentioned that you have to focus on reaction mechanisms, right? You have to focus on GOC, as well as you have to focus on name reactions, beta. In reaction mechanism, see, you have to go through, first of all, into GOC, detailed GOC, all the reaction intermediates, right? You have to focus on stereoisomerism as well. Further, you have to focus, bacha, on SN1, SN2 mechanism, E1, E2, E1, CB, all the mechanisms, right? Fine. Addition, substitution, elimination, condensation, all the mechanisms have to be put into consideration, right? You cannot skip any part. Am I clear? Further, you also have to give special attention to name reactions in organic chemistry as well. Am I clear, everyone? Okay. Further, if I talk about inorganic chemistry, bacha, in inorganic chemistry, you have to focus on periodic table trends. I have told you periodicity, right, earlier on this channel as well, so you can refer those videos, right? I have given all the necessary trends in periodic classification of elements, right? Further, the next chapter which is important in inorganic is coordination compounds, right? They have also mentioned coordination compounds, and although they haven't mentioned this article, but I am adding it by myself that, beta, you also have to focus on chemical bonding, bacha. Chemical bonding is also a crucial chapter, beta, for NEET point of view, right? So don't skip even chemical bonding. Am I clear, everyone? In physical chemistry, they said that strong grasp is required in thermodynamics as well as chemical equilibrium. See, in thermodynamics this year they have asked 2 questions. However, they can ask 2 to 3 questions easily in next year, right? Fine. And similarly in chemical and ionic equilibrium, bacha, they will ask at least 3 questions this year, or they might ask 2 questions this year. So both of these chapters demand special attention. Okay, so further they have said that it will be beneficial for you all, that since chemistry is such a vast subject, that you basically create, beta, mnemonics, you basically create short notes or concise notes, right? It will help you in retaining the chemistry, because chemistry is very vast. You have a lot of reactions, there is a lot of cramming, and it's very difficult to correlate with what's happening, you know, in the world, right? For example, in biology, the cramming is easy because you can correlate with you that, oh, all these biological processes are happening inside my body. But in chemistry, it's very difficult, right? We can't see a all condensation happening here and there, so it's very difficult to remember, right? Okay, so it's better to create short notes, it's better to create concise notes and revise them periodically. It will help you out. Am I clear, everyone? Okay, now let's come to your favorite subject and one of the highest weightage subject, right? We know that out of 720, 360 marks are reserved for biology, 180 for botany, 180 for zoology. Fine. Okay, so this subject demands thorough preparation. You have to prepare thoroughly, bacha. Okay, so they have mentioned the topics on which you have to focus more. The first topic is beta physiology, human physiology, genetics, and then you also have to focus on biotech as well as ecology. They are very important, and from these, questions are frequently asked in your NEET examination. Okay, and they have further said that rote memorization is okay, that means ratification or cramming is okay, but you have to understand all the biological process and their interrelationships in a better way, bacha. Why? Because then only you can, solve those statement based questions in biology which are little confusing. If you will, cram it, it will become very difficult for you to solve those questions, because in every statement new concept is being used and you have to mark which of the statements are correct. So that requires a deep knowledge of each and every biological process, bacha, right? Same, your biology teacher or mentor will say it to you. Okay, so you have to focus on that. Fine. Okay, so I've discussed in details everything about that article. Fine, so that's all for this particular video. I really hope you like this video. If you like it, then please like this video and share this video with your friends. Leave a little comment about what are your opinion regarding this article. Fine, and we'll meet with such another informative video. Till then, thank you and have a really good day. Bye bye.